Leon, and I'm a Technical Product Manager at MATTR. This video will introduce you to compact credentials and give you a bit of a walkthrough on how you can use them with MATTR VII. So first off, compact credentials are used to represent data that can be cryptographically verified while still being compact enough to fit inside a QR code. And the fact that the credentials are compact means they can come in a number of formats. You could add a QR code to a PDF, or you could generate a digital pass to store in a Google or Apple wallet. And this means it's great for offline and paper-based use cases. MATTR VII actually offers two types of compact credentials. There's compact, and then we have semantic compact. Now, semantic compact credentials provide semantic context to the claims compliant with the VC data model standard. So generally speaking, choosing between the two comes down to the balance between standards compliance for an open data ecosystem or a more compact credential for a closed ecosystem. To verify a compact credential, all you need to do is show the verifier the QR code, which results in a very rapid validation workflow, even in places where there is no reliable internet connectivity. And another thing to note is that compact credentials are bearer credentials, meaning all the information inside them can be verified, but there's no assurance over who is presenting them. So they're a good fit if your use case requires high information assurance, but not high identity assurance. So some of the use cases we've seen for compact credentials include vaccination records, event tickets, health and safety certifications, and parking permits. So now that you know what compact credentials are, we can look into how to use MATTR VII to create and issue one. So let's start by creating a compact credential proving I'm certified to work at Heights, and then I can show you how we can format it as a PDF and a digital pass. Okay. So now I'm using our Postman collection, and I'm going to call this endpoint and create a compact credential. So I'm going to come over here, and as you can see here is the payload for creating our compact credential, and you'll see that our issuer is set to my issuers did, which is a did web setup on our MATTR VII tenant. Then we have a not before date set, we've got expiry, and the rest of the things here are all custom claims. So as you can see, I've got a name set, the code, certification name saying working at Heights, certification is level 4, and issuer name, which is a friendly text for advanced safety training. And then for this one, I'm going to make this credential revocable. So I'm going to go ahead and change this Boolean to true. And that means that if I ever need to revoke it, I can do so in the future. So now I'm going to fire this away. And here we have our credential. So the response includes a cryptographically signed credential, which enables verifiers to validate the credential content is valid and that it hasn't been tampered with. The credential includes all the details from my request, plus an ID element that uniquely identifies it. And I'll need this if I ever need to revoke the credential or remove its metadata from my tenant. The other important part is this encoded element, which is a base 32 encoded string representation of the compact credential itself. I'll use this to convert the credential into different display formats, such as a QR code, a PDF document, or a digital pass. Now that I have my compact credential, I want to share it with its intended holder, and I can do that in one of several formats. So let's start with a QR code. To do this, I'll make the following request using the encoded element from my signed compact credential and setting the QR width at 800. So I'm just going to change that now. The response, you'll see. And there we have it. The response includes a QR code that I can now share via existing communication channels, for example, by email, or even print out and present as a paper-based copy. Now let's see how we can format this same compact credential as a PDF document. And to do this, we need two things: the encoded element, which we already have, and a PDF template. So the PDF template is what tells MATTR VII how to convert the credential into a PDF document. For now, I'm using this template ID, which references a sample template I uploaded earlier. If you want to see it and learn more about how to design and create your own templates, check out the tutorials on our MATTR Learn website. So for now, we'll make this request to convert the compact credential into a PDF. And there it is. So the response includes the PDF file that I can now share in an email or any other messaging system. The recipient can either present it from their device or even print it out. Finally, we will now format our compact credential as a digital pass. And again, we will need our encoded element and our template for guiding MATTR VII how to convert the credential into a digital pass. Note that you need separate templates when you're converting to an Apple Wallet pass or a Google Wallet pass. In this video, we'll show an example with an Apple Wallet pass template, but you can find examples for both templates on our website, which you can download and adjust for your needs. So here we have our template ID and our payload, and we're going to make this request. So you can see that we've converted the compact credential into an Apple Pass, and our response includes the assigned PK pass file that can be retrieved by the Apple Wallet and stored as a digital pass. And the process looks very similar with a Google Wallet pass. Only difference is that the response will include a URL to load the generated pass from. So in this video, we've shown how to generate a compact credential and how to convert it into different presentation formats to match your use case. Check out the links in the description for step-by-step tutorials for everything in this video, and post any feedback on the comments section below.